Hello student, today we are going to solve the question based on indefinite integral. It is given that I is equal to integration of 1 by x square plus 8 times x plus 32, and we have to integrate with respect to dx. Now we can say that this 32 can be written as 16 plus 16. So we have the given integral is equal to 1 by x square plus 8 times x plus 16 plus 16. We have break this 32 as 16 plus 16. Now on combining the first three term, this first three term can be written as x plus 4 whole square. So we have required integral given by I is equal to 1 by x plus 4 whole square plus 16, and we have to integrate with respect to dx. Now let assume x plus 4 is equal to u.